So, hey there, Artin, how are you doing? So, today I'm going to teach you how to change the images and edit services and categories as well. So, first of all, we are going to change, I think you already know this, that's our all LED services. After adding today's many services, 9 plus 12, I think 21 services I added to this. And now we have total 40 items in our LED services. So, how you gonna edit these things? When you click on this, let's say we are going to edit intelligent stairs light system. So we're gonna click on edit, and here you can see that's the title. You can edit the title, and these the categories. So any service as intelligent stairs light system, I added it as your instruction was to add it in high and home lighting. So you can change it anywhere you want if it is not in the relevant category. So that's the short description, and that's contact us page lead to. That's the link, and leave this thing for now because I have a future plan to categorize all the services as categories. These categories as well as application area like home, interior, office, outdoor. That's my idea. When you approve this, I will and deploy this as well. And here you can add those four images that will appear on service page. You can just click on add image, and images will be available none of the all applicators, so you can also upload files from here. That's a simple thing you are getting all them. And then to add a feature image, you have to click here, remove, and then you can again add this as well. And these 3 points, Y1, Y2, Y3, these are the points. Let me show you. Okay, now we are going to on a service page. So let's go check it out. Let me open any category and let's open this. So these points, why you chose this, and these 3 points, you can actually take them from here. These are the 3 points. And related service, you can leave this for now because I have also a future plan for this to deploy. The related service, when we have a full list of all the services we have, then we can apply this thing. And then we have extract. This is also same as this short description. This description will be on this page right there. You can see, and but when you edit this thing, it will appear. Let me show you. My net is just slow. This will show you right there. That's the F script. Okay. So now you can edit all the services and whatever. And now let's go to categories. When you click on categories, that's the list of categories we have. You can also just name and slug and add another category or just click on here. So here we have the list of categories. If you want to add any of them, just click as here. So you can change the name, the slug, or you can add into any another category. Means it will become the subcategory of that category. You can do this as well. You can add the description. That's optional. So that's the thing you are looking for, I think. That's all.